Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to fix green line on phone screen Android. Let's go. It can be quite frustrating to see a green line running across your screen, but fortunately, there are some simple steps you can take to resolve this issue. Firstly, one possible solution is to restart your phone. This may sound like a basic trick, but it often works wonders. Simply press and hold the power button until the restart option appears on your screen. Tap on it and wait for your phone to reboot. Sometimes a simple restart can fix minor software glitches causing the green line issue. If restarting doesn't solve the problem, try checking for any pending software updates. Outdated software can sometimes lead to display issues to do that. Open up the Settings app on your Android device. Then search for Software Update in your device. Tap Software Update or a similar option depending on your phone model, and then tap Download and install. If your phone has an update available, download and install it, and hopefully that will fix the issue. If you still have that green line after the update, then you need to reset your device. To do that, tap on the search icon at the top right. Then search for Reset. Now tap Factory Data Reset. Tap on it to reset your phone to its factory default settings. One thing to keep in mind is that when you do a factory data reset, it erases all data, including files and downloaded apps. If restarting, updating, or resetting don't work, it is possible that the issue lies with a faulty hardware component. In such cases, it is best to contact a professional technician who specializes in phone repairs. They will be able to diagnose the exact cause of the problem and provide you with appropriate solutions or repairs. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.